Lahkmen Rymbui MLA ke Amlarem constituency waman le ibu ke sarkar jela ni kesengi hawa kelam kam ukong san hagi lang wai perda ye Lahkmen dap san paus nem kanong talang government secondary school nong talang ongu ke puthi hagi juk wakat ni mtok di dukadu abi ye hikai ki wasikai wayele uksok kenmu hepor batho exam kenang yoyo ki makso he tang wakajuk kan ni to utip le kamon wo perkhat pelayumun ye sikai wayo langba ipure puthi wa isakhiat heiru kam im ikela wa kam gani ongu em kam bah haki khna skur kam wa em kam kajuk start sayan wa pher we kam ki khna skur le das ngau thu wa du katwan kajuk start sain de yarap ko ye im wa man kasngi yongki Lahkmen Rymbui ong haro wa kam ki skur to elat ye ki khna skur wa ngau thu ki ye wa sakhian ye ikho hawa im kam ju we yeiwa jia wa sakhian we hajrong ini ki wasikai em ki ka benta wa kongsan omdu wo sikai hapo kamra skur tang wa wo penyo le ye sakhiat ha ka perthai kam teken tu ye ki wasikai kanong talang government secondary school wo sedang gi da ka learning club nei benta ki khna skur khnang yo yo alat u ye chem yumut kliang praki nei benta u ye kalam ye ka wan gaman we iwa kongsan tam u wan ra ki mat wahap u ye perkhat pra khna skur kentu haro uya ki wasikai kanong talang government secondary school wa em kam le uya ya ki khna pure class 9 wa class 10 kam chakalan pot wa em hadauki khnang yos ngau thu ki ye rukom ya khai pateng langba kani ka thau we dei wele kam ni boy dau em na perdi ki khna school ki wo man ki wastat ukamai spa kajuk pure puthi wa katni man ka wa em kam bah we pungkup bor ko ye ide ne bah wa gani to ka tenre yang ipure puthi kini kisngi we hejrong ini ongu wa ka sarkar le dawan ra ko ye new education policy nei liang ke APSM district school education officer West Giant Hill district kam ka sembut kongsan ongo kani kesngi penkenmo ko ye lai luti wa chadin we kamonu ye wo pen bha chu chakman yu luti ko walang ba kani kele kemen uyo mensen chu ki wasikai ki khna skur wa waro ki em benta onang kre chitom chu ki wo pen ku ye pure puthi hagani gelek kemende yo le iklam no MDC ka thain u Holando lamin iklam ye ka param tebian hajrong ilai luti gani ka skor no assistant headmaster u Albert Langdo iklam no he chnong kanong talang umin Langdo wa kiwi de pencong chit ye gani ka sngi dai chim benta ki khna skor wadang pure katni wa ki wada pendep ki wada e chat o irwai
adapt to the different skills, empower yourself. It is very important to empower yourself. And because these are the foundation of today's education. If you learn these 4 or 5 things which I tell you today, I know you can navigate all the hardship, all the different things in your day-to-day life. So my dear student, it is very, very important. 50 years we are serving here today to set the foundation of new way of education. New education policy have been implemented. So we have to have this new mindset. Then takada, ngakan to ya pi ki we ki khna school. Ba pinong ki khna ki ba nang banje ya ki ki ba pinshin. Ba pinang ba de ba pinang ban bread. Ya ki ki ba unde. Ngalakren management tak artificial intelligence. Ki bon kay ba mapen mentoy ba ki donro ki ba wanra ya kacing snil dem takadaw long ki khna ki ba nang tam man pule nang ban prakha critical thinking tam man pule nang ban pusan. It is very, very important ki de ban pusan yak bule hato ki hikai ni nakabanta ka germination of seeds kadene kamde practice phila banyo ya kita ko sakaway ka bang kwa kumaong mene kambesyo ka baso banyo kam sarkar haray ki kam ki bela ladang idon kata kasap ka skills hamne school Kaladon ke vocational training, nak minta artuli likely kitret ngam kemang. Worship ketu kadai tang bapinisio skur max and learn. And who knows, you will teach others. Dia terkadang kabakong san kalong ba amday shu bangin day sa school ngipule ya kabahikai babu bupi lanlandat hayin anda point exam ngin chutok tang ya ketu kaba ngi ihikai bat ndai pendan kam ya ka wa pule dia terkadang hak na ko life is very tough. You have to face so many hardships in study. But those hardships, those difficulties will empower you, will make you the one who can challenge the world. I'm sure, I wish the students of Nong Talang Government Secondary School commit themselves that I will be someone. I will stand on my own feet. I can transfer my skills to order. I can educate the order. And I will be a good human being, more importantly, the one who is as an asset to society. Give up anything, any thought, any mind for all this substance abuse, for all this drug or other substance abuse. Don't ever let that thought, that mind infiltrate into your mindset, but prepare yourself to face that come what may, I will be an asset to the society. With these few words, I wish that Nong Lang Government Secondary School family the best and more importantly, that this celebration, which culminating on the 13th of December, where our Honorable Chief Minister will be here today, that will be a very fruitful celebration. More importantly, as I told you, let this celebration, my dear teacher, take the student to learn the life problem, how to solve the problem, how to engage themselves with companies, how to engage themselves with entrepreneurship, so that it will become more fruitful. This is what, thank you much. God bless you. Kublai Shibun Yabara.